Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you're fine and safe. My name is Ms. Ragad and today we're going to have our word 2 from Module 1 Everyday Life Grade 6. In today's lesson, we're gonna identify the use of possessive nouns. But before we start our lesson, I'd like to remind you of our classroom rules. Number 1, you have to be quiet and listen carefully to your teacher. Look here, we have a dog. Now, I want to ask, whose dog is this? Some of you will answer, this dog belongs to Anna. It's correct, but today I will show you a better way to say it. Are you ready? Let's start. The dog belongs to Anna. How can we say it? We can say it Anna's dog. Anna's dog is the same meaning of the dog belongs to Anna. But this is a shorter and better way. Now, I want you just to pay attention to this apostrophe. This is the noun, and here we have apostrophe. I want you always to pay attention to the apostrophe that it always stays up. And it also comes with the noun. Now, let's start. How do we form the possessive noun? We have 3 rules. Rule number 1. To change a singular noun to singular possessive noun, add apostrophe s after the singular noun. Pay attention, singular noun. Let's have an example. The name of my friend is Jimmy. Let's make it shorter and say it in a better way. My friend's name is Jimmy. One more time. My friend's name is Jimmy. Okay, my students, look here. This skirt belongs to Natasha. So we say this is Natasha's skirt. This is Natasha's skirt. We have a singular noun and we just added the apostrophe s. Okay, now look at this picture. We have a hat and this hat belongs to Tom. So how do we say it? This is Tom's hat. This is Tom's hat. We just added the apostrophe and s to the noun Tom. Example number 3, we have a cat here and this cat belongs to Nikki. Let's read the sentence. This is Nikki's cat. Again, this is Nikki's cat. And now, my students, we will move to rule number 2. Rule number 2 says to make possessive form of plural, this time we have a plural, ending in s, just add apostrophe after the s. Let's see how. The brother of the girls is short. Let's read one more time. The brother of the girls is short. Here we have a plural. So in this case, how we're gonna write it? You have to write the girls apostrophe brother is short. Let's have another example. Look at these kids. Let's see the sentence. The kid's car is fast. We have a plural here. So what are we gonna add? We add only the apostrophe to the plural noun. One more example. We have 2 girls here, so it's a plural. Let's see the rule. The girl's dog is brown. The girl's dog is brown. Since it's a plural, we just add the apostrophe. One more example. We have 2 cats. It's a plural. And let's see the sentence. The kids' train is fun. The kids' train is fun. What did we add? We just added the apostrophe because we have the plural s. Now let's move to rule number 3. Rule number 3 says to make possessive form of a plural not ending in s, add apostrophe s after the plural. Let's have a look. Example number 1. The mother of the children is pretty. Let's have a look at children. Is it singular or plural? Good job. It is plural. Now, can you tell me what is the singular of children? Super. It is child. So here, children is a plural. And what does the rule say? The children's mother is pretty. We just added the apostrophe and s. Now, example number 2. The woman's shop is big. One more time. The woman's shop is big. Here we have the plural and we just added apostrophe and s. Again, I'd like to remind you with the singular of woman, it is woman with a. Let's see here. We have 2 men. So, how we're gonna say it? The men's bike is fast. The men's bike is fast. To this kind of a plural, you have to add the apostrophe and s. Again, I will remind you of the singular of the noun men, which is man. Now, let's practice more and more. In this practice, you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, my students, now look at Tony. What is he doing? He's playing with his ball. Now, let's see the question. It is Tony ball. We have to choose apostrophe with s or only apostrophe. To answer this, you have to have a look at Tony. Tony is a singular. So, which one is correct? Super. Apostrophe and s. Question number 2. The woman's car is yellow. Look at this noun. We have woman, and as we said, woman is irregular plural. So, are we gonna add apostrophe with s or only apostrophe? Good job. We have to choose apostrophe with s. Let's read the sentence. The woman's car is yellow. Good job. Now let's have our last example for today. Look here, we have 3 girls. Now let's read the sentence. The girls' team is strong. We have to have a look at girls and think, is it singular or plural? Yes, it's plural, and this plural ends with s. So which one is correct? Good job. The apostrophe. Okay, my students, now we have finished our lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot and see you soon. Bye-bye.